What we got here is an 06 Audi A4 2-liter turbocharged engine. What we have, situation with codes, we have a P0171 code. Notice how the oil cap comes right off on this car without any problems with the engine off. Okay, so we're going to go inside the car. We're going to start this car. I'm going to go to OBD2, which is onboard diagnostics 2. Display the codes. As you can see, we have a code P0171, system 2 lean, bank 1. Of course, it's a 4-cylinder. It's only one bank on this engine, so we're going to back out. We're going to go to live data stream. Got our RPM at idle, coming down all fast dial. What we're going to scroll down to, short-term and long-term fuel trim. We're just going to watch that short-term fuel trim right there start to creep up. As you can see, 6.3, 17.2, 21.9, 25. Our long term hasn't started creeping up yet. You can see we're maxed out 25%. And what I like to do on these cars, verify we have no external vacuum leaks because we're at idle. High manifold vacuum. Engine running. Notice no change. Carefully spraying some T+2 around. No change on our data stream. So what I did notice is with the engine running, just that gap, I'm going to pull it up. Severe vacuum. As you lift it up, you can feel the engine start to shake and stumble, and you hear it hissing. So what the suspect is dead is the PCV valve and diaphragm assembly right here. That's our part number. So it's an N16001. I'm going to shut this car off. And notice the oil cap removes. So right there is your PCV valve system. We suspect that piece to be bad. So I'm removing these plastic quick connect fittings that go to the PCV valve diaphragm assembly, and they have these two little ears that lock on, and with age they get kind of brittle and difficult to remove. So you got to be real careful, or else you snap the ears off and it won't lock on if you do that. So I don't know if any European guys, I'm not necessarily a European guy, if any European guys in the comments could lend your hand and suggestions on how to remove these clips without breaking them. I know a lot of guys just snap them off and then just replace it, but here I just sit here and try to work them off with screwdrivers, picks, and whatever I can do to remove these items and get them off. It's kind of like an octopus. You need more hands than you have to get them off. Any of you European guys out there that's just serviced Volkswagen, Audi, and BMW and all those cars that have these style clips, if you guys can put in the comments a better way to remove them or an easier way to remove them, the best answer will win a Mechanic Secrets t-shirt or a Mechanic Secrets hat. we're doing there is we're cleaning up the excess oil and cleaning the gasket sealing surface up using a paper towel. And the reason I use a paper towel is they're wood pulp fibers versus a cotton rag, which is cotton fibers. Any cotton fibers that get ingested into the engine don't break down as easy as wood pulp fibers.
Now with the engine running, short-term fuel trim is running right at 0. Long-term fuel trim 2.3. And as you can see,